Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're pulling your hair out over the HP printer error code 0Xc4Ebb021, don't worry, we've got you covered. This pesky error is one of the most common issues with HP printers in 2025, and today, we're breaking it down step by step so you can get back to printing in no time. First off, let's talk about what this error actually means. Error code 0Xc4Ebb021 typically signals a problem with your printer's hardware, often related to the ink delivery system. It could be something as simple as a clogged nozzle or a more complex issue like a faulty cartridge connection. Understanding this is key because it helps us pinpoint the root cause. Speaking of causes, there are a few usual suspects. One common trigger is using incompatible or low-quality ink cartridges, which can disrupt the printer's internal sensors. Another is outdated firmware or drivers, which might not be compatible with the latest software updates. Physical issues, like loose cables or dust buildup inside the printer, can also play a role. Now, let's get to the good part, the solutions. Start with the basics. Turn off your printer, unplug it from the power source, and wait about 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This simple reset often clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check your ink cartridges. Remove them, gently clean the contacts with a soft, lint-free cloth, and make sure they're properly seated. Next, update your printer drivers by visiting the official HP website, downloading the latest version for your model, and installing it on your computer. If you're still seeing the error, try running the HP Print and Scan Doctor tool. It's a free utility that can diagnose and fix common problems automatically. For more stubborn cases, perform a factory reset on your printer, but remember to back up any custom settings first. And always, ensure your printer is on a stable, flat surface to avoid any mechanical misalignment. By following these steps, you should resolve error code 0Xc4Ebb021 and get your HP printer humming again. If you're still stuck, drop a comment below, and we'll help troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.